In this tutorial, we'll be looking at Zazzle's latest product launch, the Pet Bandana, and to show you how easy it is to create your own. First up is the small, recommended for pets around £11. Think cats, rabbits and small dog breeds. Adorable terriers like little Jack Russells or maybe a fluffy Shih Tzu. These bandanas are perfect for your little companions. Next, we have medium size for pets between £22 and £33. Picture a playful beagle, a sturdy corgi, or a happy Brittany Spaniel. These collars offer comfort and style for your medium-sized pals. And finally, the large size for pets around £50 to £65. Think strong and loyal breeds like Australian Shepherds, energetic boxers, or beautiful collies. These collars are built for adventure, just like your big furry friends. Here are the approximate lengths of all the collars. My AI voice sounded a bit bored reading out all the measurements, so I cut that bit out. So for small pet rabbits, cats and dogs, you can design your own bandana. And here's how easy it is to do. You can change the background color, add a specific hex code if you know it, and add a text template too. You can change the font style and the color and the size. You can either input the font size or drag the corners. Do whatever is easiest for you. Play around with the text until you are totally happy with how it looks. It doesn't matter how long it takes. If the font isn't making your heart sing, change it. If the text is too straight, you can rotate it at a jaunty angle if that's your vibe. There's even an option to add a text stroke or a drop shadow, or why not add both? Have a little fun with it. Don't forget to resize your text template if it gets a bit wonky, and if you scroll down, you can see more options. Play with them. The curve function is fun and adds a little something to your design. Use the Align tool to make sure everything is, aligned. Finish off your design, and when you are finally happy with it, post for sale. Before you do, double check that you've set the text field as a template so that people can change the text to their pet's name on the product page. Don't forget about it. Scroll down to more options and slide the button over. Enter a product page label such as pet name. It's easy to do. Check that your design looks good on all sizes. You can change from small to medium to large on the product page and see how it looks. I wasn't happy with mine. My text was still at that jaunty angle we talked about earlier, but it's an easy fix to jump back into the design tool before you post for sale and make any adjustments. The collars on the pet bandanas are adjustable, allowing for a comfortable and secure fit for pets of various sizes within the recommended weight ranges for each size. For your pet's comfort, a comfortable fit is key. Make sure you can easily slide 2 fingers under the collar. Ensure a comfortable fit by leaving enough room to slip 2 fingers between the collar and your pet's neck. Make sure the collar is not too tight. And there you have it, Zazzle's latest product, Pet Bandanas. Head over to Zazzle.com to create the perfect collar for your pet today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.